Hi, my name is Blair and I'm the Smart Home Technology Consultant here at Jamin Build. Today, we're going to talk about the setup of the Schlage and Code Smart Door Lock. The first thing you need to do is to make sure that you have a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network running throughout your home. Next, make sure you download the Schlage Home mobile app from the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store. Next, you're going to open up the app and we're going to get started. Okay, so open up the Schlage app and select Sign In. And we're going to need to create a new account. So click in the bottom right, Sign Up. Enter in your email address that you're going to use for the account and create a password. Now make sure that your password is at least 8 characters in length and has a number, a special character, an uppercase, and a lowercase letter. Give your account a name that you want to use and then select Sign Up. Okay, now it's going to send you a verification email to the email address that you just used. So go and look in your email inbox for that verification email from Schlage. If it's not in your inbox, check your spam folder as it could end up there. So open up that email once you find it, put in the verification code and select Confirm. Okay, now press the top right button, the little lock with a plus sign there, and we're going to add a new lock. Then click Set up a Schlage and Code. The lock should be installed, so select Yes, lock is installed. Go to the lock, remove the black cover from the back of the lock to expose the QR code. You're going to use your mobile device to scan that QR code, and then you're going to press and release the button that is just underneath it. Just be patient as the device and the lock complete the pairing process. It may take about 30 seconds. Next thing we're going to do is connect the lock to the Wi-Fi network. Again, make sure you have a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network running throughout the house. Select the network from the list there, and then enter in your Wi-Fi password. Once you've entered your password, press the button Connect Wi-Fi at the bottom of the screen. Okay, just be patient as the lock tests the connection to your Wi-Fi network. Okay, and once it's connected, we're going to give a location name for the lock, which here we're going to use front door. And then we're going to define an access code from 4 to 8 digits. And then we're going to name the code that we're using. Then select Finish. Open the door slightly so we can go through the calibration process for the lock and then select I'm ready. That's it. We've now got the Schlage and Code lock working through the mobile device. Click the lock button on the front of the screen to lock or unlock the lock. A red lock symbol means the door is locked. A green lock symbol means the door is unlocked. You can also view the history to see what codes were used at what times. You can also hit the bottom right button to add new access codes to the lock. These locks can have unique characteristics. They can be permanent for like the homeowner, they can be temporary for a guest, or they can be a recurring code for a guest that comes over once a week, for example. When you're creating a recurring code, you can define the days of the week that you want to use and the time in which the code is going to be active for. So here we've created a code that is valid from 4 p.m. on Tuesday to 5:59 p.m. on Tuesday afternoon. Select Done, and now we should be complete. The next thing we'll do is to set up the lock with Alexa. Select Get Started, and we're going to open up the Alexa app and proceed with the integration of the Schlage Home skill. Open the Alexa app, go to the menu, and select Skills and Games. We're going to need to search for the Schlage Home skill. Should be the first one that comes up. Select the Schlage Home and then click Enable to Use. Now it's going to want to link the accounts together. We're going to need to grab our account information, our password that we used for the Schlage app, and we're going to enter it on the screen here. Okay, if you entered everything correctly, it's going to link the accounts, and then we're going to need to discover the devices. So select Discover Devices so that Alexa can look for your new smart lock. Be patient, as this may take about 45 seconds to find it. Okay, and Alexa's found our lock. So next we're going to click Set Up Device, and then you can add it to a group here if you like, or you can press Skip. The lock is all enrolled with Alexa and ready to go. We can now control it with our voice. Select Done. By now, you should have all your smart home products working through Alexa and working with your voice. Any additional smart home products in the future that are Alexa enabled, you can repeat the same process by searching for the skill and linking the account with Alexa. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Jamin home.